Hi everybody. Today I'm just going to talk a little bit about how to effectively use links in Angel. Um, so here you may have noticed that there's some trouble with the link tool. So here I created a link using the link tool to time.gov. So let's try to click on it and see what happens. Okay, so it opened up in a new tab and there's nothing here. So I'm going to close this out. Something about the link tool is that it's unfortunately it's an old tool that the folks at Angel haven't developed. And what happens is when you use the link tool, it tries to open up other websites within Angel. And other websites have rules to prevent that sort of thing from happening. So unfortunately, it's outdated. So the good news is that there are some workarounds. And one of the workarounds is hiding in the resources tab. So if you click on the resources tab, we'll see this module right here called course resources, and this is a place that you can use to collect a bunch of hyperlinks. So I'll just show you. Right now we have a category here called news, and if you click on the plus sign, we'll see one link that I place in here called CNN, and we'll just click on that link and it opens up this new tab, and we're at the CNN website. So I'm going to close this out now, and we're back in the Angel again. And so I'll show you how to make a new link and how to leverage this tool. So what we do is that we will click on the pencil, and that takes us into the resource links editor. And we just click on this link to add a link, and we can call it whatever we want. So in this case I'm going to call it time.gov. Okay, and the URL is http time.gov. I already had it in there, fortunately, so I didn't have to type the whole thing again. You can also copy and paste it from the address bar if you like. That'll save a little bit of time. So the description will just say demo. This is for the Angel Link demo. The target, we always in Angel always have the target open in a new window. It's better for the user experience, plus it'll guarantee that the link is going to work. What it does is that it will take that link and open up in a new window or a new tab depending upon the user's browser settings. And the other good thing about it is that since it opens up in a new window, if someone presses, they won't have to press the back button or try to go back and find where Angel is. And the category, here you can make a category. So right now we have one called news, useful links, and default. So we can create another one, and we can just call it timekeepers. And it's viewable by everyone. That means that this tool is accessible to the internet. If you put it on to students, then only students who are enrolled in the class could see it. So we'll then click save. Okay, so we got this all set up, and we'll click on the resources tab again just to get out of here. And now if we go back, we'll see there's a new category here called timekeepers, and we'll expand it and click on the link, and then it opens up the time.gov website on another page. So that's one way to get all the links and collect them all, and it's really easy for the students to browse them. The other thing that we can do is, let's say we go back to our lessons tab, and let me go down. I have a folder where all this stuff is set up. So we'll go into link demo, and right here I have what's called a section heading, and a section heading is just basically a way to write on the lessons tab. The way that we're seeing it right now, we see it as a course editor. So we see this title and we see all the links to go in and change the settings. And if I was to go and click on the glasses here and preview the course as a student, then go back into lessons and back into the folder, I no longer see the section heading title. All I see is the link. And if I click on it, it'll open up properly on a different tab. So what I'm going to do now is click on the glasses again, and I'm going to cancel the preview, It's going to throw me back onto the Courses tab. So I'm going to go back into Lessons and scroll all the way down, go back into the folder that I'm working on. And right here is a section heading, and I'll just show you how to make it. So if we go to Add Content, and then go to Section Heading, and then we'll give it a title. We'll call it New York Times. And I just happen to have another tab open, so I'm going to select the link, copy it, and I'll just close this out, and I'll close this out too. And what I'll do is that I'm going to click on the Insert Web Link tool, and then I'm just going to add the hyperlink right here, and go to Target and specify that it opens up in a new window, because that's the way Angel likes to do it these days. I'll click on OK. The link is there, and I'll click on Save. And then here's the link to the New York Times. And it's working. Okay, so if you have any questions, just feel free to send us an email at angelsupport@yu.edu, and thank you for your patience.